Okay, let me show off one of our humidifiers. Okay, here we go. So that essential oil tray is down here. You can put some drops in there. And a lot of other humidifiers don't give you something like this exclusively for your essential oils, which is a bummer because if you happen to put essential oils in a regular humidifier tank, over time your humidifier is not going to run as efficiently and it could even kind of quit on you. So that's why we decided, okay, people want the option, so we'll give them a tray as seen in view B. A, B. Anywho, you can put a couple of drops in there. The diffuser is really what's going to give you the bang for your buck for scent. The humidifier will give you a light touch of scent. It's mostly the humidifier is the main thing here. So the tank is very large and in charge. It runs for 50 hours. The LED light, you can have it on or off. And then, which is cool because at night you might want a little night light, especially if it's in the living room or wherever. But in your bedroom, you might want the LED light off because it bothers you and you're a vampire and you need to sleep in complete darkness, maybe. Then you can control how much mist output comes out. And then the mist will come straight out from the top. And it's a cool mist. So what that means is it's not going to make your temperature in your home, in your apartment, feel hot and muggy and gross and sticky, humid, none of that, swampy, all of those adjectives. It's gonna feel just like kind of just refreshing. So cool mist, not hot, won't adjust your the feeling in your place. And to fill it up, you just take the top part off. Here's the tank by the bottom part of that. It's very easy to use, very user-friendly. Okay, and then you'll pour your water in there, screw it back on, and then put it back. So that's how you fill the humidifier. Some of the other benefits that I like about it: allergies, if you have indoor or outdoor allergies. If you have allergies to pollen, like oak, cedar, mold, elderberry, is that one? Elm, I don't know, there's so many different types out there. So pick your poison. And if you have allergies whenever you have a drought for a period of time, or gusty winds, or cedar fever for fall, like this guy, then a humidifier will help with that. And it helps for indoor allergies too, like your cats maybe, or if you have a allergic response to like dust mites, which a lot of us actually are allergic to dust mites, and they're just found in our homes. Anywho, if you go and you pull back your curtains right now in the light and you see the dust come off of that, you know, that's what we're breathing in. We just don't always see it. And so the mist is going to grab on to all of those allergens floating around. The outdoor allergens that come in are indoor allergens, and it's gonna grab onto it and weigh it down, and that way it falls to the floor, and then we're no longer just breathing it in our environment. So humidifier is a really great tool for allergies. Also helps with skin conditions like eczema, helps with asthma, and as far as skin, in addition to things like eczema, it just really helps protect your moisture barrier. So we have a moisture barrier, and it is there so that we don't get too dry, too oily. We don't get cuts and scratches that leave us prone to infection, so that we are more protected for the sun, for UV rays, from wrinkles, all that stuff. So your moisture barrier is very, very important. And when we have seasonal changes, and when things start to dry up out there or become too cold, any sort of changes, our skin does its best to kind of keep itself balanced. Also, after taking a hot shower, your moisture barrier kind of needs a little bit of help. So it's a great thing to moisturize as soon as you get out of your shower and when there's a little bit of water still on your skin, and then keep the humidifier on and nearby because it's really great for your skin moisture barrier, but also it just makes your skin look visually nice and healthy. Okay, talked about plants earlier. One of my plants loves the humidifier. It is a tropical plant, so these can be really good for your indoor plants. And I hit most of the big reasons why I use this. Well, my partner, he has sleep apnea, and so by snoring and by using a CPAP machine, that kind of dries out his nasal passageways and his throat, and so the humidifier is a nice tool to have because he kind of wakes up and it's like a little bit dry, a little bit scratchy. So highly recommend. If you do get dry when you wake up in your nose or in your throat, try this, especially if you're prone to like nosebleeds during weather changes. Recommend the humidifier.